Lahat ng kababaihan will agree with me na super important sa atin ang buhok at kutis, 'di ba? Ito kasi yung madalas unang napapansin. Also, hindi lang ito about sa ganda, more so sa confidence natin. But admit it, hindi madaling mag-maintain. Stress, pollution, aging itself. And minsan, yung kakulangan natin sa nutrients can take a toll on our hair and skin. Kaya sabi ko this year, ano pa ba yung pwede kong gawin para mas maalagaan ko ang sarili ko? Alam nyo ba? Biotin, or also known as vitamin B7 or the beauty vitamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that helps convert food into energy and supports the health of our hair, skin, and nails. Nature's Bounty Biotin helps to maintain healthy hair and skin while supporting nail health. It helps strengthen hair strands, reduces breakage, and promotes healthy growth. Sa skin naman, it helps keep it nourished and glowing. Taking care of our hair and skin is an investment in ourselves. Kasi when we look good, we feel good, and it shows in everything we do. Syempre, kailangan pa rin sabayan ng balanced diet, proper hydration, and healthy lifestyle. Add na natin tong Nature's Bounty Biotin sa self-care essentials this year. Nasa yellow basket na yan, click mo na and try it.